Alright, what's up YouTube? Today, I want to show you my, Spider-Man journal. It's kind of like the Diary of a Wimpy Kid journal, like the Wimpy Kid has it. Only, it's Spider-Man in that. I write it in it a lot. I can't really read it to you, because, it's some of my private things inside, so I can't show you any of it. It's a really cool book. It's a really cool book. You can write in it, you can draw in it. Even my sisters have one. Well, one of my sisters has one. Anyways, it's a pretty cool book. It has Spider-Man on the front. It says it's from Ultimate Spider-Man. It's pretty cool. I've always loved Spider-Man. On the back, it just has Spider-Man and a web in whatever city he lives in, New York. I don't know a lot about Spider-Man, but I don't really watch him. I just think he's pretty cool. I've always loved him. I just don't know much about him. I don't think I've seen much movies about him. I haven't even seen The Amazing Spider-Man yet. This thing's pretty cool. It is from Marvel, because every Spider-Man or Hulk or Avengers or something, anything that's Marvel has to be like Hulk or Spider-Man, Wolverine, X-Men. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you my Spider-Man, and also sorry I didn't make much videos, because yesterday I was with my dad, and plus today I didn't go to school because my parents pulled me out of school today because it was really snowy out today. So anyways, comment, subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to demolish that like button. Comment, subscribe, and bye YouTube. Thanks for watching. And I have a really special surprise waiting for you guys in the next episode. Anyways, I'll save that for later. Comment. Well, I already said that. Bye YouTube.